Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2012 Challenger SRT8, a 392 with an Edelbrock Supercharger on it. 580 wheel horsepower. Very tame, easy car to drive until you get into the gas. 580 horse is about 700 horsepower at the crank. Very well equipped. It's got leather. It's a good leather and suede combination. SRTs are built in a separate factory. This one's got navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel as well. Got a great sound to it. Hurst short throw shifter. We have the original shifter as well. We have all the receipts for all of the work that was done, all done professionally. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. There it is, Edelbrock E-Force. K&N air filter and a Corsa exhaust. Give it a really nice sound. Runs and drives perfect, absolutely no issues at all. Well, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. We do offer worldwide shipping and financing. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.